Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. Was 12th Open International Karate Championship 2025 in Sri Lanka. Today on 22 February at the opening ceremony.
Sensei Rafiqul Islam Rafiq is presenting the special guest to Sensei R.K. Natarakumar. Let's put our hands together, dear children.
I presented the Utturio and crest to the organizer Shehan Ratna Kumara on behalf of my Bangladesh Karate organization. He wish very happy to receive the crest. Thank you so much, Shehan Ratna Kumara, because he may be very good accommodation and food arrangement and airport to venue to airport transportation arrangement. Thank you very much to him. For that we are all very happy. Now again, thank you so much, Shehan Ratna Kumara, Chief Organizer from Sri Lanka. Ocean.
සහ සම්බන්ධ වන ලෙස බොහොම ස්තුතියි.